speaking of that, the box there, it's only held on by cable. You can see there's cable. It's holding the box on. When I let the cable loose and lift up the heist, the box will slide off. The whole point of the roller. I'm going to dump it right now, so bear with me. Comes out. This is all the shit that I gotta have out of here. Now you pull out, and it'll all just come out by itself. But usually it gets jammed, so pain in the ass. Back with you in a minute.